Hello everyone, today I would like to tell you about the online course which is called Coronavirus Diagnostic, Treatment and Prophylaxis. My outline is, firstly, we will look at the general information and the target audience. Secondly, I will show you the duration and the purpose. Thirdly, uh, we will look at the question, what topics will you cover? The next one, what will you achieve? And the last one, what forms of the control we will have? I would like to begin with the general information. On this course, you will discover the latest recommendations on COVID-19 testing and get up-to-date information on the performance of tests and how best to deploy them. This course is designed for professionals involved in the testing and diagnosis of COVID-19, nursing staff and doctors. These may also include, for example, laboratory managers or program managers and other involved in laboratory testing for COVID-19. In other words, for this course, you should be familiar with medicine terms and scientific terms related to diagnostics. Duration of the course. It lasts 3 weeks. One theme takes 3 weeks or 3 hours a week. The purpose of the course is personal development of the medical staff due to the coronavirus pandemic. Um, what topics will we cover with you? In the first week, you know about the virus, its um, specifically, and what is the difference between COVID-19 and flu cold, the current state of the COVID-19 pandemic, and the role of diagnostics in the response. The second part of this week is dedicated to different types of diagnostic tests and their use in the COVID-19 outbreak. The second week devoted to the treatment of people with first easy degree of disease, secondary degree and hard degree of disease, the current recommendations on use of COVID-19 diagnostics and testing strategies, and the last week you know about right ways of prophylaxis, or in other words, how to avoid the virus, how countries are establishing their scaling up COVID-19 testing, and key considerations for safety, quality, and impact of diagnostic services. What will you achieve? By the end of the course, you will be able to, firstly, identify different types of diagnostics for COVID-19 testing, explore their current use in the COVID-19 response to better understand how they can be implemented in your country. Secondly, identify key technical and operational considerations for testing, how to apply them to your setting to ensure safe and quality assured testing services. Thirdly, engage with your peers and learn how countries are scaling up testing capacity while exploring key considerations to inform your country planning and implementation. And the last one, to develop an understanding of global recommendations on the use of COVID-19 diagnostics and testing strategies. How to control your achievement. To check understanding of material, the course suggests past quizzes to go further to the next step, and at the end of the course ask you to pass small exam to get your diploma. And thank you for your attention. Goodbye.